One advantage of cooking bacon in the oven is you get uniform doneness, and it's fairly clean. There's no splatters on top of the oven, and you have to deal with the hot grease. Also, you get a pretty clean, clear bacon fat for cooking. Today we're going to be making 1 pound of bacon in the oven. This helps cook the bacon uniformly and cooks a lot at once. Setting the oven to 425, and I'll just put the bacon in and set the timer for 15 minutes, and then we'll check after that. This is after 15 minutes of baking. My oven took 15 minutes to preheat to 425. So I'm going to put it in for another 5 minutes and check from there. Here's the bacon. Total 25 minutes starting from a cold oven. 10 minutes after the oven got to 425. It's starting to brown, but there's a lot of bacon grease, bacon fat that I'm going to save. After that, I'll flip the bacon over and cook another 5 minutes. Okay, the bacon's been flipped. It's going to go back in the oven now, checking every 2 minutes, because at this point the bacon could go from lightly brown to dark brown to burnt really quickly. Alright, this is after two minutes after flipping the bacon and draining the bacon fat. I'd say it's about 80% there. Here you could stop at this point. If you're going to save bacon for later, then you could heat it up and it won't overcook. The bacon is done. Total cooking time from a cold oven is 29 minutes, and I've cooked 15 slices of bacon.